Dear students from all the branches of Milestone School and College, welcome to our online class. Here I am Raunak Jahan, subject teacher, Bangladesh and Global Studies, Mohammadpur branch, Milestone School and College. Hope all of you are very well and good and staying with us. Dear students of Milestone School and College, let's start our today's lesson. Here is our textbook, Bangladesh and Global Studies, which is supplied by National Curriculum and Textbook Board, Bangladesh. And beside this book, we need some other materials that is known as study equipments. They are paper, pen, pencil, etc. whatever we need in our lesson. As you know, I like to underline the words when we will go through the reading practice. So get ready with a pencil also, okay? Today we will going to read from our lesson chapter 9, lesson 1 and 2. Are you ready? Let's get ready to read. Okay. Before going to start our lesson, I would like to take a tour on our previous lesson. Our previous lesson was on Chapter 8, the continents and oceans. Competency based question, which is mostly known to us as CBQ, short form of competency based question. It is 16 December today. Ryan and his friends are enjoying the day by wearing national flag on their head. Now write about the national flag of Bangladesh. Actually, a flag always shows the identification of a country or describe about a country. As a citizen of Bangladesh, we all know about the flag of Bangladesh, isn't it? Here is our national flag. Its shape is rectangular. It has two colors, green and red. And the ratio of length and width is 10:6. That means if length is 10, it can be centimeter, it can be meter, it can be any other unit of measurement. But if the length is 10, that time width must be 6. That is called ratio. Okay. So let's see the description of our national flag. Our national flag is colored in green and red. It is rectangular in shape. The ratio of its length and width is 10:6. The radius of the circle is 1/5 of the length of the flag. The red circle is somewhat left of the flag, which we see in the flag. That is the end of our CVQ question. Okay. Now we will going to start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is on chapter 9, and name of our chapter is our Bangladesh. And first of all, we would like to learn from lesson 1. Name of our topic is Political Map of Bangladesh. Before start our lesson, today's lesson, I would like to share some difficult word with you. If you understand these difficult word meanings, that time the lesson will be more easier to you and you will understand very easily. We just have 4 difficult words in this lesson. They are political map, irrigation, physical map, and cash crop. These words are not familiar with you. Right now, I'm going to tell you the meaning of these words. Political map means a map that shows borders of a country. That means when a map shows the border of a country which is used in administration with neighboring countries is called political map. A map that shows border of a country is called political map. Next, irrigation. Irrigation means watering the field for producing crops. In summer days or in dry days, whenever our land become rude to us and getting dry, that times we have to watering the field for producing crops. This process is called irrigation. So, process of watering the field to produce crops is called irrigation. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Physical map, a map of mountains and rivers. Actually, a map that shows not only mountains and rivers but also flatlands, deltas is called physical map. That means a map shows mountains, rivers, flatlands, deltas is called physical map. Here we have learned about two types of map. One is political map, another one is physical map. These two terms are brand new to you, isn't it? Okay. Last word is cash crop. Cash crop means a crop produced for earning money by exporting. That means if we produce any kind of crop for earning money by exporting other countries is called cash crop. Jute is our number one cash crop. Do you know about this? Yes. Jute is called golden fiber of Bangladesh. And right now tea is also a cash crop as we are exporting this to the other countries. So let's start our today's lesson. Chapter 9, our Bangladesh.
We're the People's Republic of Bangladesh, a country in South Asia, here to teach, we will not rest. We're the People's Republic of Bangladesh, with 8 divisions, we hope you are impressed. I'm the Borishan division of Bangladesh. I touch the Bay of Bengal, located in the south at best. I have a capital, its name is Borishan. It's located where that star did fall. This is the Chittagong division. I border India and Myanmar. I am glad that I told ya. I have a capital, its name is Chittagong. I'm in the southeast, now let's move on. Dhaka division is what you're looking at. I'm in the center of this country, how about that? I have a capital, its name is Dhaka. It's also the capital of this country you saw. I'm the Kuna division, located in the southwest. I border India, this I do attest. I have a capital, also named Kuna. I touch the Bay of Bengal, just like you thought. We're the People's Republic of Bangladesh, a country in South Asia, here to teach, we will not rest. We're the People's Republic of Bangladesh, with 8 divisions, we hope you are impressed. I'm the division division of Mymensingh, located in the north. I touch India for what that's worth. My capital has a name, it is Mymensingh. It is located here where the star did go. Rajshahi, this is the division name. In the northwest I border, India I claim. Rajshahi is my capital, you see. I have a river on either side of me. Rangpur division, the most northern here, mostly surrounded by India above me there. I have a capital named Rangpur. It is a city, now let's learn some more. Sylhet division is what you're seeing now, located in the east of Bangladesh. Wow, this is my capital, its name is Sylhet. You think this song is over, but it's not over yet. I am Bangladesh, I'm in Asia.
Political map of Bangladesh. Our motherland is Bangladesh. It is situated in Asia. Underline this line. It is situated in Asia. Bangladesh is situated in Asia. Bangladesh is situated southern edge of Asia. Now let us look at its border. Here you see a map of Bangladesh which shows the border also. This is the border of Bangladesh with neighboring countries. And this is the border of divisions with neighboring divisions. Okay. So, to see who are its neighbor, this kind of map is called political map. Bangladesh is divided into 8 divisions. Here we see different colors here, which is Bangladesh is divided into 8 different colors, which is called divisions. These divisions are used in order to administer the country. The map shows each division in different color. Read the names on the map. Right now we will going to read the name of the divisions in the map. Here is Dhaka. Here is Dhaka. Then Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh and Sylhet. Okay. Chittagong is the largest division in area and Mymensingh is the smallest. Here you can see Sylhet is written because I have taken a book of 2018, but now you have a book of 2020 where this information is being corrected. Okay, so Chattogram is the largest division in area and Mymensingh is the smallest division. Each division is named after its main city, which is therefore called a divisional city. The city of Dhaka is both a divisional city and the capital of Bangladesh. It lies at the center of the country. It is an old city which was first built about 400 years ago. In 1604, Emperor Jahangir or Badshah Jahangir established Dhaka as capital from Sonargaon. Okay, that time Dhaka city established. From that time Dhaka is capital of Bangladesh. Okay, from this page or from this lesson what we have learned? We have learned Bangladesh is situated in Asia, continent of Asia. And we also learned what is political map. A map that shows border is called Political map. How many divisions Bangladesh have? Bangladesh have 8 divisions. Which one is the largest division of Bangladesh? Chattogram is the largest division of Bangladesh. Which one is the smallest division of Bangladesh? Mymensingh is the smallest division of Bangladesh. And each division is named after its main city. Which city is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka city is capital of Bangladesh. When did Dhaka established? Dhaka established on 1604, about 400 years ago from now. Okay, now let's go to page number 51. Here we have to do our book activity. In this page we see there are 4 sections. Section A, B, C and D. First of all, we would like to discuss about section A. Which division do you live in? With the help of your teacher, find the position of your division and mark it on the map. Which divisions have borders with your division? As I am living in Dhaka, so I have marked Dhaka division in color red. And you also live in Dhaka division. And this is our Dhaka division, which is marked red on the map. Okay. Which divisions have borders with our division? Here is Dhaka. Here is Dhaka division and it is neighboring 5 divisions. Mymensingh, Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna and Rajshahi. So, Dhaka divisions have 5 divisional borders with its division. Okay, they are Mymensingh, Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna and Rajshahi. Now, section B. Name the countries and the sea that borders Bangladesh. For this, we need to check our map. Here is our map. Here is our map. What we see, this is the east direction, this is west direction, this is north, and that is south direction. So what we see in the east, India and Myanmar bordering our country. India and Myanmar. In the west side, we see only India. India is bordering. Okay, in the west, we have write down India. Have you finished your writing? Okay, very good. You should write it with your pencil, not with pen. If you have make any mistake, that times you can correct it. Okay, so try to use pencil. Now north side. What we see in the north side? Yes, only India is neighboring in the north direction of Bangladesh. Only India. And south is left. Who is neighboring in the south side? Definitely Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is neighboring in our southern border. Now, section C. Draw a map of Bangladesh by tracing it. Place a sheet of thin paper over the map of Bangladesh. Attach it with pins or clips. Draw over all the lines of the map with a pencil. Unclip the paper and copy the names of the divisions onto the map. You have to do it by yourself. And you must have to follow the rules which is given here, okay? Okay, now number D. Give a short answer. How many divisional cities are there in Bangladesh? Give their names. Okay, let's see. Dhaka, Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh, Sylhet. Here is our 8 divisions. Here is our 8 divisional cities. Okay. Again, take a look on our divisional cities. Dhaka, Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh and Sylhet. Okay. There are 8 divisional cities in Bangladesh. They are Dhaka, Chattogram, Borishal, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Mymensingh and Sylhet. That is the end of our book activity of lesson 1, page number 51. Now we will going to read another lesson of page number 52. Open your book, page number 52. Get ready with your pencil to underline important words, okay, important keywords. Let's start the physical map of Bangladesh. A map that shows hills and rivers is called a physical map. The land area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometers. Most of it is flat. The flat areas are shown in the dark green. The low hills are shown in the light green and are named. The higher hills are shown in orange. Read the names of the lower hills. Now we will going to read the entire map. Here we see a physical map of Bangladesh, and most of the areas are dark green. This dark green area shows the flatlands. This light green area shows the lower hills areas. In Rajshahi division, these lower hills areas are called Borendra Bhumi, and in Dhaka division, these lower hills areas are called Madhupur Gor. These orange marked areas are higher hills areas. This is part of Chattogram division, and these are the part of Sylhet division. These are also shown as higher hills area. You see in this area, this is the bordering side of Mymensingh district. There are also some lower hill areas. These areas are known as Garo Hills. Okay. And the left areas are dark green, which is flatlands. So, what is the area of Bangladesh? The area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometer. What do you mean by a physical map? Can you tell me? Yes. A map that shows hills and rivers is called a physical map. Okay, right now we will going to read this last para. Natural resources. Our country is rich in natural resources. Natural gas is one of the most important resources. We use gas for cooking and to fuel our cars and vehicles. We also have many minerals. which are dug out of the ground. These include coal, limestone, chinamati, silica sand, mineral sand, and hard rock. That means Bangladesh is rich in natural resources. Natural gas is one of the most important resources. So, which resource is most important for us? Answer is natural gas. How do we use these gases? We use gas for cooking, to fuel our cars and vehicles, and many factories run by this natural gas. Okay, this is the end of our reading practice part 2. Lesson 2, the physical map of Bangladesh. Now we will going to solve our book activity. Page number 53 of lesson 2. Here also 4 sections. Now we will going to solve our first section. Section A. Compare the map of divisions on page 50 and the physical map on page 52. Discuss these answers in class. As we are in out of class, but we are in online class, we will discuss this. Which divisions have the highest hill? Marked in orange. Can you tell me? Storm your brain, you can. We all know which divisions have the highest hills. Chattogram division and Sylhet divisions have the highest hills. The highest hill of Bangladesh is Bijoy Tajing Don, which is situated or located in Bandarban district. Which district Bijoy Tajingdong located? Under Chattogram division in Bandarban district. Okay. Which divisions have lower hills? This is the picture of Chattogram division. Okay. The lower hills areas marked in this map in Rajshahi division and Dhaka division, and very few part of Mymensingh division. In Rajshahi division it is known as Borendra Bhumi, in Dhaka division it is known as Madhupur Gor, and in Mymensingh division it is known as Hills of Garo or Garo Hills. Okay. Which divisions have only flatlands? Borishal and Khulna divisions have only flatlands. Okay. Now we will going to solve. Now we will going to solve section B. Look at the three named ranges of hills and write which division each is in. Lower hills. Here three names are written: Borendra Bhumi, Madhupur Gor, and Lalmai. Now we have to identify these hills areas are located or situated in which division. Okay. So, are you ready? Borendra Bhumi is situated in which division? Rajshahi, you were right. Madhupur Garh situated in which division? Dhaka, you were absolutely right. Lalmai situated in Chattogram division. Very good. You already know all these things. Okay. So let's go to this next section. Next section is C. Have you seen this kind of road transport? They run in towns using natural gas or CNG, compressed natural gas. Copy the picture and write its name. This is most familiar and well-known vehicle in Dhaka city. We usually see this in our roads. This vehicle is known to us as CNG. So, what we have to write down? Yes, we have to write down its name. Okay, do it in your book. Now, number D, section D, check. Give a short answer. Which is our most important natural resource? We already have discussed about this. Our most important natural resource is natural gas. Our most important natural resource is natural gas. Hope all of you have understand all this lesson. If you have any question, raise your hand and ask me. Okay, this is the end of our today's lesson. Right now, this is the time to write down your HW or homework. You have to learn reading practice, page 50 and 52, and you have to do book activity, page 51 and 53, which we have solved all together. Hope all of you have enjoyed our class and staying with us. That's all for today. Hope to see you soon. Thank you all for today's class.